Top 50 cryptocurrencies explained in one sentence. Hello and welcome to yet another exciting educational video on Crypto Decoded. Today's episode promises to be exciting. We're going to review the current top 50 cryptocurrencies in the market and try to explain as many details as we can about them in one sentence. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to talk about each cryptocurrency and possibly their native tokens in 2 sentences max. It's quite tasking, but educational content such as this one is what you signed up for when you hit the subscribe button. But if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please take out a few seconds from your busy schedule to like and subscribe to our channel. Before we begin, let's define 3 words that you will often hear in this video. Decentralized. The first word is decentralized, which means distributing the administrative control of an organization or something to several parties so that no single entity has absolute control over it. Open source. Open source is when the codes of a program are made available so that other developers can work to modify and optimize it. Smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts written hosted on a blockchain. There are well over 1,000 digital currencies in the market today. This video will only cover projects in the top 50, but if we get enough likes on this one, we might consider doing a follow-up video that covers the top 100 tokens. Who knows? Without further ado, let's begin. 50. IOTA. IOTA is a distributed ledger built to facilitate small transactions between devices on the Internet of Things. 49. PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange or a peer-to-peer marketplace to swap BEP20 tokens on Binance Smart Chain. It also doubles as a government token, which means holders can vote on changes to the platform. 48. Electrical Optical Systems, EOS. EOS is an open-source blockchain platform that can be used to develop, host, and run a business or decentralized applications. 47. Clayton. Clayton is a public blockchain platform designed to validate the value and utility of blockchain technology while offering customer-focused blockchain service to users. 46. Helium, HNT. Helium is an open-source decentralized network that improves the communication capabilities of wireless Internet of Things, IoT devices. 45. Monero. Monero is a decentralized blockchain network token that supports secure, private, and anonymous transactions. 44. Gala. Gala is an Ethereum-based token used on the blockchain gaming platform Gala Games. 43. Eunice said Leo. Leo is a utility token designed for use on the Bitfinex crypto exchange or any trading platform built on iFinex ecosystem. 42. Tezos. Tezos is a proof-of-stake open-source decentralized computing platform that supports smart contracts and executes peer-to-peer transactions. 41. Phantom, FTM. Phantom is a highly scalable blockchain network that supports crypto, DeFi, smart contracts, and decentralized applications. 40. Theater. Theater is an end-to-end decentralized video streaming network built on blockchain technology. Theater's blockchain gives users the chance to earn tokens by using their internet bandwidth and computing resources to watch video content. 39. Sandbox. The Sandbox token is a metaverse token that powers the blockchain-based virtual game called Sandbox. 38. Ethereum Classic, ETC. Ethereum Classic is a decentralized open-source blockchain network that features smart contracts. 37. Hedera, HBAR or Habar. Hedera is a proof-of-stake decentralized distributed ledger network that allows individuals and organizations to create decentralized applications. 36. Internet Computer, ICP. The Internet Computer is a public blockchain network that can host smart contracts and web-based services at incredible speeds. 35. Cosmos, Atom. Cosmos is a state-of-the-art blockchain framework that allows other blockchains to scale and interoperate with each other. 34. Bitcoin BEP2, BTCB. Bitcoin BEP2 is a token issued on the Binance chain. It is 100% pegged to its native token Bitcoin BTC at a rate of 1 BTCB to 1 BTC. 33. Filecoin (FIL). Filecoin is a peer-to-peer decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. It also doubles as a digital payment system. 32. VeChain. VeChain is a blockchain platform that aims to improve the world's supply chain management system. 31. FTX token (FTT). FTT is the native token of a crypto derivative trading platform called FTX. 30. Near Protocol. Near Protocol is a scalable proof-of-stake open-source blockchain network that eliminates the barrier to Web3 adoption. It runs hand-in-hand with other blockchain networks such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, and others. 29. Decentraland Mana. Mana is an Ethereum-based token that powers Decentraland, the world's most popular metaverse platform. 28. Axie Infinity AXS. AXS is a native token of a blockchain-based war game, Axie Infinity, where the players wholly own the platform. 27. Elrond EGLD. Elrond is a protocol blockchain built by experienced researchers, engineers, and blockchain experts to offer neck-breaking transaction speed through a technique known as sharding. 26. Stellar Lumen XLM. Stellar Lumen is the native token of Stellar, a blockchain-based payment network that connects banks and other payment systems. Stellar also facilitates low-cost cross-border transactions between any pair of currencies. 25. Bitcoin Cash BCH. Bitcoin Cash is a spin-off of the Bitcoin blockchain that promotes faster, cheaper, and more scalable transactions. The network fee for an average Bitcoin Cash transaction is less than a penny. 24. Terra USD UST. Terra USD is a decentralized, scalable, and yield-bearing stablecoin built on the Terra Luna blockchain. The value of the Terra USD is pegged to the US dollar. 23. Tron TRX. Tron is quite similar to Ethereum. It is an open-source blockchain-based operating system designed to enhance the decentralization of the Internet. 22. Algorand ALGO. Algorand is a self-sustaining, payment-orientated blockchain ecosystem that offers a scalable and faster means of payment. 21. DAI or DAI. DAI is an Ethereum native stablecoin whose value is directly pegged to the US dollar through an automated system of smart contracts. 20. Chainlink Link. Chainlink is an Ethereum-based decentralized Oracle network designed to link blockchains to external data and create hybrid smart contracts. 19. Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized trading exchange that uses smart contracts to facilitate automated transactions between tokens, similar to how PancakeSwap functions. 18. Litecoin LTC. Litecoin is a payment-focused open-source token designed by Google engineer Charlie Lee. The project, modeled after Bitcoin, has maintained a 100% uptime since its launched in 2011. 17. Wrapped Bitcoin. Wrapped Bitcoin is an ER20 token that's backed by Bitcoin. It allows Bitcoin holders to use tokenized Bitcoin on the Ethereum ecosystem. 16. Binance USD BUSD. Binance USD is a stablecoin launched by the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance. It is backed by the US dollar and approved by the New York State Department of Financial Services. 15. Crypto.com coin. The Crypto.com coin is a native token of decentralized exchange Crypto.com. It was designed to aid the flow of transactions between crypto users and merchants. 14. Matic. Matic, formerly known as Polygon, is an ecosystem for building and connecting Ethereum-based blockchain networks. 13. Shiba Inu. One of the two meme tokens on our list. Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based digital currency modeled after Dogecoin. 12. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open-source meme coin inspired by a Japanese dog breed called Shiba Inu. It was created by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer in 2013. 11. Luna. Luna is a public blockchain protocol that facilitates the creation of stablecoins pegged to different fiat currencies. 10. Avalanche. Avalanche is known to be the fastest open-source smart contract network for decentralized applications within the blockchain industry. 9. Polkadot. Polkadot is a blockchain-based distributed computing system that enables the transfer of tokens, assets, and any types of data at all. 8. XRP. Ripple. XRP is a real-time, permissionless, decentralized gross settlement system built on blockchain technology. It is designed to facilitate cheaper and faster cross-border payments in the same way as Stellar Lumens. 7. USD Coin. USD Coin is a digital stablecoin built on the Ethereum blockchain and pegged to the United States dollar. 6. Cardano. ADA. Cardano is an open-source proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions. It is decentralized and doesn't require high energy costs to facilitate transactions. 5. Solana. Sol. Solana is a decentralized computing platform that enhances blockchain scalability by combining the power of proof-of-stake and a new technique known as proof-of-history. 4. Tether. Tether is the world's largest stablecoin built on the Ethereum blockchain and issued by Tether Limited. 3. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin is the native token of the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance. Users who transact on Binance using the Binance Coin token will enjoy reduced trading fees. 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is the most viable altcoin in the crypto market. It is a decentralized computing platform that supports smart chain functionality. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the world's first digital currency. It is an open-source token that features peer-to-peer transactions. Based on market capitalization, Bitcoin is the world's leading cryptocurrency. Thank you for your time as always. We hope that you've learned something new. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel to get first-hand notification when next we post another amazing and informative video such as this one. If you haven't seen our video on crypto tokens versus crypto coin, what is the difference? Then please watch it now. It will help you understand both of these topics much better. Simply click on the thumbnail that appears on the screen at the end of this video.